Saw this hack online for breaking your book spine without creasing it, and I knew I had to give it a try. Take your new, fresh, beautiful book, give it a sniff, cause you gotta. Now lay the spine flat on a table and take both covers and press them slowly down to the tabletop. Grab small chunks of pages, around 20 or so, and repeat the process over and over and over again, all the way until you get to the very middle of your book. Now, when I saw the spine from the side, I'm not gonna lie, I was panicking quite a bit. But just take a look, not a crack in sight, and the pages open up perfectly. Dollar Store had these napkin holders and this twine, and my brain said, make bookends. So I got to work. Just knot your string and start looping your twine around, making sure to keep the little string tail tucked in. Now looping, 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 looping all the way to the other side and tie it off, hiding the end back in the 2B thing. Do that on the other side as well. Duplicate it, and there you have it. Angle them to the front, show off cool covers, or to the side for a clean look. Follow for more.
I am completely mesmerized by this. D.Hinklay is a 30-year-old artist from Japan. When he was young, he was crazy about origami. Through a lot of hard work, he figured out how to use those techniques and apply them to book folding. It can take anywhere from 5 to 12 hours to finish one of these pieces. Making these original pieces must require some serious concentration. You can follow him here for more.